Hi, this is group 105J. Today we are going to explain the homework 4 of SOC testing courses. The first part of the homework is to show that a test for the fault A stuck at 1 in the circuit below cannot be obtained by using the 5-value logic of the D calculus. So, if we want to propagate the fault to output Z at here, the output NOR gate in time frame minus 1 at here should be 1, so that we can propagate the D prime here to 0. However, since A is a stuck at 1 fault, one of the input of the NOR gate will never be 0. So the output of NOR gate of time frame minus 1 can never be 1. So the fault cannot be obtained by using the 5-value logic of D calculus. The second problem is to do the previous circuit again by using 9-value logic. For 9-value, we can use 1/x in the input of the time frame minus 1, which is at here. Hence, we can easily get 0/x at here. Next, we select the second input of time frame 0 to 0, and it will be 0/1 since it is stuck at 1 arrow. After that, we obtain 1/0 on the output of the NOR gate of time frame 0. Last, we select 1/x in the input of the last time frame, which is time frame 1. And finally, we get 1/0 on the Z of time frame 1. Using input pattern 1, 0, 1 sequentially, we can propagate the fault to the output Z at time frame 1. The third problem is to show if the 5-value D algorithm can work in this circuit. As the previous example, there will be A stuck at 1 fault at here. Since the input of time frame minus 1 is 1, the output of the NOR gate of time frame minus 1 should be 0 at here. For time frame 0, we select A equal to 0. Since there is a stuck at 1 fault here, it will be 0/1, which is D prime. And the output here of the NOR gate of time frame 0 should be D. Lastly, the D will be at here, and here will be 1. And the fault will be propagated to the output Z, which is in time frame 1. The last problem is to design a sequential test generation problem that is qualified for you to show sequential test generation is difficult. In order to fulfill the requirement, we must select a kind of logic gate which will never propagate fault in certain condition. So our team select AND gate and stuck at 0 fault. For AND gate, if one of the input is always 0, and the output will always be 0 too. Hence, the fault can never be propagated. This is the ending of our homework. Thanks for your time.